Call my name. Call my name. I heard your voice this morning, calling out my name. It's been so long, it didn't sound quite the same. You let me know that my name never really been spoken before. Or the day I carried you to the doctor. And ever since the day I never want anyone but you. Nobody really knows me, knows the truth. That I just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. Just can't wait to get my arms around you and feel your touch. If I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go insane. I know it's only been 3 hours, but I love it when you call my name. I heard the voice on the news say people want to stop, baby. Stop the war. They'll love the sweetest you. They forget what they were fighting for. What's the matter with the world today? Let them free. About life, they can block my phone. People around my home, they only see you and me making love inside. But I just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. Just can't wait to get my arms around you and feel your touch. If I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go insane. I know it's only been 3 hours, but I love it when you call my name. Just can't stop writing songs about you. I love you so much. Just can't wait to get my arms around you and feel your touch. If I don't see you real soon, baby girl, I might go insane. I know it's only been 3 hours, but I love it when you call my name. that I am knows how to handle my body the way you truly do. Sensation moves my name when it comes to you. I got a choice, baby. Oh yes, it be like this. I can't have a home. I can't have a home unless I have you. Oh, my body, baby, you truly do. Sensation moves my name when it comes to you. Like a wildcat, baby, in a celibate rage. I want you alone, my dirty little cage. Can you understand me, baby? Ooh, my body, baby, you truly do. Set me shut the door. I don't want to do this alone. Oh, baby, what's your number? I'll call you on the phone. Invite you over and let you talk to my woman now. And you can get your study on. Oh, baby, play something sexy, Renata. You want to study together?
cha-cha